It's safe to say that this one on Sherwood will make you smile. It will satisfy and suit all your needs. Take a look.
Welcome to your dream home. Nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac, this home has everything you could want and more. The newer carpet and wood-burning fireplace are perfect for snuggling up on winter days, while the humongous living area is great for hosting parties. The kitchen and dining area has nice, beautiful cabinets. The owner's suite is spacious with a nice bathroom and walk-in closet. Plus, the newer interior paint gives the home a fresh, updated look. New roof installed in 2020 per seller. Don't wait.
Be sure to save this one to your short list. This one on Sherwood should be your first selection. Don't be surprised if it's gone soon. And don't be shy. Call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.